I'm going to say something that can be very difficult to take in or trust or even believe, but it depends on where you're at on your journey, dear Sagittarius. And that is that the truth is ultimately that the path appears if you are operating from the pace of the present moment. If you're operating from a pace that is faster than the present moment, the path doesn't appear. And you have to find ways to make it appear. You have to force it, battle this, that, whatever it may be. And each time you go into the next battle and the next battle and you force and you're trying really hard to change things, stop. And notice the path has disappeared because I've moved too fast. This takes a lot of practice. I've moved too fast. And the truth is there are many things that show up in your day anyway that show you that you're moving too fast. So the key for you is to find the pace of the present moment. And when you've got the pace of the present moment, which I'll talk about in the membership, there'll be an audio dedicated just to the pace of the present moment and how to find that pace, and then how to keep aligning and realigning. The key is to keep realigning, because you're not going to stay at the same pace. Life happens, thoughts, human body, blah, blah, blah. Then just keep coming back to that same pace, which is the pace of the present moment. And that's where the path can appear. And that's where trust and belief and all those things are just natural, because you're at the pace of the present moment. Ooh. I just say oof because it's such a big difference to I need to make this happen, I need to make that happen, I need to do this, it's a huge, huge difference.